Charlotte! Charlotte! Charlotte!
Charlotte.
Hi! Are you driving? Honey, don't let her crash.
Gotta be closer.
She's running over my bushes. Oh my goodness. How did she just make that? Oh, you've got her. I thought she was on her own. Charlotte! Say hi to Grandma Vicky. Charlotte! Charlotte, hi! Up here. Hi.
I was just gonna say, is this off?
Oh, cool.